Think LinkedIn is just another job site. Think again. What if I told you it's actually your digital resume, your career billboard, and your first impression, all rolled into one? If you're a student or a fresher in India, this is your moment. Because how you show up online matters more than ever. Step 1. Use a professional photo. No selfies, no party pics. A clean, confident photo where you look approachable and sharp. Yes, even a phone camera works if the lighting is right. Step 2. Craft an engaging headline. Instead of just student at XYZ University, try aspiring data analyst, skilled in Python and Excel, passionate about insights. Let the headline reflect your goals, skills, or industry. Step 3. Write a stellar About section. This is your elevator pitch. Tell your career story. Focus on your passion, skills, and what you're looking for. Make it personal, yet professional. From small-town dreams to big tech aspirations, I'm learning every day to build a career in AI. Step 4. Highlight key achievements. Don't just say participated in hackathon. Say, built an Android app that won second place at HackX 2024 with 500 plus downloads. Details make you memorable. Step 5. Engage consistently. Like, comment, share thoughtful posts. Post about what you're learning, projects you're building, or even career tips you found helpful. This builds visibility and credibility. Because on LinkedIn, silence is the enemy of opportunity. Remember, your LinkedIn profile isn't just about getting hired. It's about being seen, valued, and remembered. So build it with intention. Want expert tips to get noticed? Visit www.myjobfriend.com now. Your dream career could just be one profile update away. And hey, follow and subscribe to our channel for more career tips and motivation, because your journey deserves the best start.